When you click delete, you feel safe. The file disappears. The folder is empty. The trash is cleared. But here's the truth. Your data didn't die. It was buried. Welcome to the digital grave, where deleted files don't vanish, they wait. Tonight, we are following the journey of one deleted file from your laptop, to the dark web, to a shadow archive that never forgets a single byte. It all starts with the illusion of the trash can. When you delete a file, your computer doesn't destroy it. It just removes the map that tells the system where that file lives. The raw data? It's still physically imprinted on your hard drive. Think of it like removing a house address from Google Maps. The house still exists. Anyone who knows where to look can find it. On traditional hard drives, the magnetic patterns remain until they are overwritten multiple times. On modern SSDs, speed is prioritized over secure erasure, so data is marked as available, but remnants can persist in the flash cells. And in cloud storage, copies, backups, and snapshots often survive long after you believe something is gone. To a forensic expert, your empty drive isn't empty. It's a gold mine. This leads us to the science of digital resurrection. We are not talking about basic recovery software anymore. Advanced imaging tools now scan drives sector by sector, extracting fragments from partially overwritten areas. Even when encryption is damaged, residual data patterns can reveal pieces of photos, emails, or documents. Specialized algorithms reassemble these fragments like a digital puzzle. What looks like random noise can become a passport scan, a corporate backup, or a private photo from years ago. And once recovered, this data doesn't stay in a lab. It moves. From discarded smartphones, formatted laptops, and recycled corporate servers, it flows into the hands of black hat data miners. This is the migration to shadow archives. Old hardware from offices in the US or Europe is often shipped to overseas extraction hubs. There, drives are harvested at scale, imaged, and scraped by automated systems. The recovered fragments are uploaded into searchable underground databases on networks like Tor, where they're categorized, tagged, and sold. Here's the dangerous part. Old data doesn't lose value. It increases in value. A 5-year-old password dump helps attackers craft believable phishing emails. A deleted corporate document exposes long-forgotten vulnerabilities. An old, embarrassing photo becomes leverage. We are seeing the rise of extortion as a service, where criminals purchase archived backups for blackmail campaigns. Hackers don't need new breaches. They buy yesterday's ghosts and weaponize them tomorrow. So, how do you escape the digital grave? Standard formatting isn't enough. True deletion requires cryptographic erasure. Encrypt first, then destroy the keys. It means using secure multi-pass overriding for magnetic drives and verified secure erase protocols for SSDs. For highly sensitive data, physical destruction is the only answer. The internet has no natural forget function. If you want something to truly die digitally, you must architect its death intentionally. Because once a file leaves your hands, it may never stop traveling. Delete doesn't mean destroy. It means abandoned. And in the digital grave, nothing stays buried forever. Thanks for watching. If this made you think, hit subscribe for more deep dives into our digital world. Stay safe out there.